Are you looking to get more views on your YouTube video? You're sharing it on lots of social media channels, but maybe you want to find a way to share it and get more views on LinkedIn. I'm going to show you in this video how to share your YouTube video on Slideshare. Slideshare is owned by LinkedIn, so that's definitely a place that you want to share your video. Hi, I'm Tricia Clements, Chief Fur Wrangler with MuttButs.com, and I want to talk to you about different ways to get more views on your YouTube video, primarily through using LinkedIn. LinkedIn is really used a lot for B2B or business-to-business companies. It's also used a lot by B2C or business to end customers. LinkedIn is really gaining popularity. So I'm going to show you how you can use your YouTube video and share it as a SlideShare presentation, because SlideShare is owned by LinkedIn. So LinkedIn really likes when you create those SlideShare presentations. SlideShare is the largest community for online presentation sharing. I always like to start out with Canva. I am going to go ahead and create the first slide for my SlideShare presentation. You can use any different image software that you want to, but I love Canva. So you're going to do a presentation size, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. If this doesn't come up, go ahead and use the custom dimensions. 1920 by 1080 pixels. I always like to have my background, my primary color. And then I'm going to upload a picture just like I would when I'm doing my thumbnail for YouTube. So I just find a picture that I used for my thumbnail, and I can go ahead and crop that. I always like to put an element over it, a shape, to get the edges where they are not square. Then I'll make sure that it actually gets all the edges, and then I'll add my title. I'm going to make this larger and move it around. And then I'm going to add my logo. Now a lot of times it will come up for the title, what you put in for your text. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I name this my keyword. And I'm going to download it. So I am going to go ahead and download two separate versions of this. One is going to be a PNG. The other I am going to download is a PDF. Now I'm doing this simply because I want to show you all both ways. You can decide which way you like to do. SlideShare prefers to have presentations that are either PowerPoint or PDF. A lot of times images, they don't quite come across quite as well. So I'm going to show you two different ways. You can decide which way you like the best. We're going to go now to slideshare.net, and you can just go ahead and sign up. SlideShare is owned by LinkedIn. So basically, if you have a LinkedIn account, you sign in through that, or you can join LinkedIn if you do not have a LinkedIn account. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and at the top right, click on Upload. You see here it's got several different things that you can do, a PDF, a PowerPoint presentation, and it has a thing here for video, but you can't just upload a video. You've got to do it a little bit different. So first, I'm going to go ahead and show you the PDF because that's a little bit easier to do. So you're going to go ahead and put in your title, put in your description, choose a category that suits what it is you are talking about in your video. Make sure you put it to public. Then your tags, make sure you use those tags that you used in your YouTube video. Then you are going to publish it. Then you're going to go ahead and say edit. Here it says you can change any of the details. You can change the privacy settings. Here, add a YouTube video. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the URL of my YouTube video. I always like to do it before slide 1, but you can pretty much do it either before slide 1 or after slide 1. I like to have it there so people know there's a YouTube video. And then insert and publish. You can view it. Now this is what it's going to look like. It says YouTube video inside at the top left. So that means anytime someone comes and sees your Slideshare presentation, they will be able to go right to your YouTube video. That's really important, especially with LinkedIn. And then you can go ahead and share this with your LinkedIn audience. Now, I said that you could also do a PowerPoint presentation instead of the PDF. So you would simply go, and when you go to upload that, before you do that, just go into PowerPoint and add your picture there that you just did in the JPEG, and you're going to just simply save it. Remember to save it as your keyword. Then when you go back over here, you're going to select your file, and there it is with the PowerPoint presentation. You're going to do everything else just the same. So I wouldn't upload it as both a PowerPoint and a PDF. I would decide which one you prefer to use and then simply use that way consistently. Now that you know how to share your YouTube video with Slideshare, I've got a freebie for you for 10 other top places, and I'm not talking about the obvious Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course we've talked about LinkedIn. I have 10 other places that I like to share my YouTube video to make sure that I get more views on my videos. So click the link in the description below to get that freebie. I'm Tricia Clemens with MuttButs.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.